on a shallow grave. A shallow grave. A shallow grave. Another shallow grave. So now the situation be that. Now the building, the compound.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I want to make una watch this video. This video is a shocking video. Una remember Iniogbong that was allegedly killed by a 20-year-old young man in Akwa Ibom State. The guy just confessed. In fact, I want una to watch this video. More than 20 graves then discovered for their compound. The guy confessed say na family business. Him papa introduced him, him sisters, him brothers, and him girlfriend into the ritual business. Their business na to kill and sell the parts of the woman body to pastors, prophets, and politicians. God, my people. Una remember a few days ago, our Nigeria police said it was the lady in the Iniogbong that attacked first before the guy retaliates. Now, the music don't turn different direction. The guy don't confess, openly say na family business. His own papa introduced him, his girlfriend, his brother, sister into the business. Now then they bring people come. So now their family business. This is shocking. Nigerians, make una see something. I beg make una watch the video by una save. Make una see how many graves they discovered, shallow graves they discovered in their papa land. Papa get acres of land, fenced, but now people they just they kill, bury, and sell the parts made they need to ritualists. This is really serious. To ritualists, to prophets, pastors, prophetess, and top Nigeria politicians. This now their family business. Family business. Now waiting they do be that shocking. Guys, watch this video. Try to share with your friends and families. And remember to subscribe and please leave us comment. Thank you so much. Watch the video and leave your comments. Until I come your way again, remember to subscribe. Bye.
Okay. So we did live for non-econo Ufok, a community in Oran local government area where the late Iniogbong Omoren, where they carry and come, and where they been kill him. And the building be this, and the house be this, and the youth of this community been come destroy the house when they hear say this thing happen. So that the house be this, where the late Iniogbong been die. This is the building. Community youth can't destroy the place after they hear wetin happen. For this place, we see many things. We see exercise book wey belong to students, school children. We see certificates. Like this one, a person certificate of birth be this. This room na textbooks and exercise books full am. Different names, different names, different names, different names. Result sheets. This one na primary 5 mathematics textbook be this. This one na primary 4 textbook be this. That one na primary 4 English textbook, and many other exercise books and textbooks. All these one na students get am. Still dey the building. Still dey the building. Shoes. Different shoes, especially female shoes, are found here. Especially female shoes found here. This is another area. This is another area. See clothes, materials, materials, different slippers, many other things, shoes, especially female shoes. Those are clothes. Those are bonds books. Bonds books, exercise book, textbooks, certificates, birth certificates belonging to people. Then for this place, you also get shallow graves also dey here. Shallow graves dey here. I will carry una go that side. Like I show una this other side. This is the building. This is the uncompleted building where this atrocity has been taking place. This is the uncompleted building where this atrocity has been taking place. So this is it. Let's go down. There's nothing up here, everything is happening down. For that down, you will see shallow graves. Carry go the shallow graves. The shallow grave. These are shoes belonging to female shoes. Female shoes. In the environment. Look at the environment. Books scattered all over. More female shoes. more female shoes. Then NYC shoe. NYC shoe. You also see all these slippers. Now women get them. And female get them. More books and shoes have also been packed outside on our shoes. So still did the compound like this for no econo folk in Oran local government area. Like I show now more things. All these ones now the community people can't destroy them after they hear the story. Over here we get soccer wear. Over here we get soccer wear. Get soccer wear. I no fit see wetin dey inside, but some things, frightening things dey inside there. The soccer wear. Soccer wear. Okay, I'm gonna carry on and go the shallow grave side. All this you're seeing, what you're seeing now is still the compound behind the building. And the compound is this. Behind the building. So all this thing where you see here now na shallow grave. A shallow grave it is. A shallow grave be all this one. Waiting. Okay. This one is one of the shallow graves.
Yes.
Where we don't see for here. We don't see this material here. A clock and
Is it open now?
no be open. Another thing. This one is the shallow grave where we don't see for here. So, and so we see for here. This is another shallow grave. 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 Almost everywhere behind this building. A shallow grave full am. Shallow grave full almost everywhere. Almost everywhere. Almost everywhere for this back now. A shallow grave. A shallow grave it is. 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 So they talk to you now. This place, they're very stinking. This place, they're very stinking. They smell. You get offensive smell. Offensive smell. Offensive smell. See the building here where the youth of the community can't destroy. So, now the situation be this. The situation be this. On a shallow grave. A shallow grave. A shallow grave. Another shallow grave. So now the situation be that. Now the building, the compound. These are books the school children get. These are books belonging to school children. These are bond books. These are bond books. So this whole back now graveyard from waiting we don't see here. The whole of this area. Now graveyard. Whole of this area now graveyard. So side now graveyard. These are textbooks belonging to students. Textbook. Chairs too. A name is written here. Textbook. This is certificate belonging to somebody. Baptismal certificate. Born 11 August 2000. The compound is spot bones here. Bones are littered everywhere. This is the gate house. The gate house was destroyed and burnt.